Hey everyone, Gil here for Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to talk to you about something that most, I would say 99.9% of the guys are going to go, ugh, about, and that is knitting supplies. Now before you guys all go, oh no, forget this, I want to hear about this, just think about it. If there is one thing that you should learn to knit, guys, it's socks. And if you can learn to do wool socks for the winter time, you're so much better off. And even if you don't learn to do it, try getting knitting supplies for other members of the family who might decide that they want to learn to knit. All right? With that, I'm going to point out another channel to you guys, Garden State Gardener. For those of you that aren't subscribed to him, you ought to check him out. On Sunday evenings, he does Fun Day Sunday, where he has a guest on for the first hour interviewing him, and then he starts giving away packages of seeds, knitting supplies, books, yarns, little crochet kits and stuff like that. Check him out. There are a lot of knitters in his chat, and if you want to learn about knitting or crocheting, go check out his channel and see who's commenting on his chat, and then go check out their channels. Like I said, there's a lot of knitters and crocheters there. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, and learn a new skill like knitting or crocheting. All right? Okay. Take care, and I'll see you around. And remember, make sure you're prepping in private so no one knows what you're doing so you don't end up like this.